Pretty fun. That I don't mind doing again. Note that have to text the operator to book your slot and pick your design. Klook doesn't guarantee your slot. Spent 3 hours, longer than the stated 1.5 hours as my design was rather intricate and went with a group of friends all first-timer. Definitely an interesting tufting experience. Wasn't as easy as we thought, but the instructors were very helpful and attentive. They will come by and help and guide you. We spent 4 to 5 hours. Near the end was really tired and the staff offered to help to do the outline, really appreciative. Overall fun experience, good for family bonding. The young boy who assisted us was very attentive. Keep checking if we are doing good as this is our first time doing tufting. We'll definitely join again. Fats is very patient and helpful in giving us orientation on how to handle the tools safely. We had a great time and painful fingers grip after 3 hours of tufting. Hand over mouth emoji. This was my first experience with tufting, and it was both enjoyable and rewarding. I spent about 4 hours completing my project. You simply provide a picture in advance, and they'll sketch it out for you, which makes the process smooth and effortless. The staff was booked this activity 1 to 2 days before and they responded very quickly through WhatsApp to confirm our slot and pictures to use as they need to prep beforehand. When we reached there, the staffs brief us and guide us on the tufting. Very friendly and patient. We exceeded the timing for tufting and they didn't rush us. Just give us the space and time to finish it. Located at Tufting, the place was clean and easy to find. Lots of color selection and easy instruction allowed us to do this on our own. We underestimated the time required for the whole process, but the staff were generally very accommodative and understanding. We took a total of 6 hours to complete the entire thing and we didn't expect this activity to be a lot more physically demanding, so just take note when selecting. Very interesting activity. Staff was very helpful in teaching us. End product was also very good and pretty. Love this activity. We had so much fun and the staff is really helpful and friendly. Very good service provided. Staffs are helpful and checked on us every now and then. It's just tiring and need time to complete, so recommend to go to earlier slots. Absolutely love this location. You get to bring your family, friends and loved one if you are finding things to do together. They have so much activities to do such as tufting, pottery and baking. Prices are reasonable and the instructors are helpful, gives clear instructions such as the steps to take note and look out for safety hazard when we use the equipment. I will definitely return back to the shop to do more activities with my loved ones. The shop is worth to experience and result were impressive. Staff were helpful, after a while you will get it how it works. Spend a great day with good time. First time doing tufting, the staff is patient and helpful. We are a bit late due to jam but we still managed to finish our product with the help of staff. Return trip, very happy with the service. The Malay staff was very helpful, patiently guiding my kids. This place provides a good tufting experience. As a first-timer, it was difficult for me and I made a lot of mistakes, had big holes in the canvas and had to redo eventually. The staffs there are very helpful, help to patch my mistakes if possible. However, the